Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Students, today we are going to start with the very first practical, that is the volumetric analysis, which is containing in your syllabus. So dear student, the question first of all arises that what is a volumetric analysis? So before that, let me tell you, when we go for analysis in chemistry, we go for having two types of analysis: qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. So in Viva, you may be asked what is quantitative analysis? Any particular kind of the practical in which you get measurement. I hope you understand that comes with the number part and unit part. That is known as the qualitative analysis, quantitative analysis, and in which you find the quality is known as qualitative analysis. Means you predict out the salt, you predict out the functional group. That is okay. Fine. We are going to start with the first one, that is volumetric analysis. Dear student, prepare M/20 solution of Mohr salt, that is your ferrous ammonium sulfate. Using this solution, find out the molarity and given strength of the KMnO4. The practical is divided into two parts. The first part, that is making the solution of your Mohr salt, that is M/20, and using that you have to do the titration along with the KMnO4. So first one, we are going to see how to prepare the Mohr salt solution. So first of all, we have to see the calculation. So herein we are talking about the calculation. Formula for that, how much amount you will be finding out, that is M is equal to weight upon molar weight into 1000 divided by the volume. So dear student, what is the molarity? M/20 means 1/20. Weight we don't know. Molecular weight of your Mohr salt is 392,000, that is given in the formula, and we are going to prepare it into 250 ml. So when we are going to solve this one, we are getting the weight 4.9 gram. So this is how I am showing you that how we have to go for taking the Mohr salt. 4.9 ग्राम is coming from the calculation. यहाँ पे 250 ml में हम बना रहे हैं, इसलिए 4.9. अगर हम 100 ml का राउंड बॉटम फ्लास्क लेते हैं तो कैलकुलेशन चेंज हो जाएगा, वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएगी. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल बी प्रिपेयरिंग इट इनटू 250 ml. सो टुडे वी विल बी ऑब्जर्विंग इट हाउ डू वी प्रिपेयर द Mohr salt solution. Okay, so we are going to begin with this particular. Observe it very carefully, because when the school will reopen, it will be not repeated. You will be directly asked to prepare it. Dear student, as I told you that first of all we are going to prepare the Mohr salt solution, and you can see that is your ferrous ammonium sulfate. So we are going to take this and we need to on the weighing machine. Okay, so this is our weighing machine ready, and what we have to do, we have to first of all take any particular apparatus like a watch glass, and we have to place it. Particular reading which you are able to see, that is of your watch glass, so you have to go for making it 0. Now whatever the amount you are going to pour, that will be the amount of your Mohr salt. So as I shown you just now in the calculation, how much we have to take? 4.9, that is what we have to take. Okay. Dear student, you are able to see 0, you have to nullify it over here. 490, that is your 4.9 over here, and you have to take this particular amount of your Mohr salt for preparation. You are going to keep the weighing machine on one side now. Now dear student, first of all let me show you, this is your round bottom flask, and this is of 250 ml in which you have to prepare your solution. So sometimes it happens that there is one particular mark on this particular 250 ml round bottom flask. So when you go for the addition, sometimes it goes more than that. So we are going to use the trick. What we are going to do, we are going to first of all take the water till 250 ml till the mark, and we will downpour this water into another beaker, and then we will be using it. So this is our beaker. So it is exactly of 250 ml.
Now what we need to do, we are going to take this particular into another beaker. Dear student, before you add the water, it is advisable to add the concentrated sulfuric acid. So if your examiner asking you that when you are preparing the solution, why you are adding the sulfuric acid is added in order to avoid the hydrolysis. आपके सॉल्ट का हाइड्रोलिसिस ना हो जाए, आपके मटेरियल का हाइड्रोलिसिस ना हो जाए, इसलिए आपको क्या करना है, few drops of your sulfuric acid. Do not use it directly, use the dropper. Dear student, I have added a very few drops of the concentrated sulfuric acid, and this is your glass rod. With this, you have to just mix it well. After mixing it well, now what you can do, you can add the water. So the measured water, the amount of the water which we have already measured to 50, that is what only we have to use. Add little bit first of all, shake it well. Try to dissolve all the particles present over here. Means try at your best that it could be dissolved over here. You have to stir it well. As I told you, we have to make the solution into 250 round bottom flask. So with the help of the funnel, place the funnel inside. And now what you have to do, the solution just now which we have prepared, we have to transfer it into over here. So with the help of the glass rod, take care your solution should not spill out. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to take that 250 ml remained water again into this beaker. What we are going to do, we are going to clean it, again we are going to stir it well. Try to dissolve the remaining few particles which are there and pour it. This you have to repeat 2-3 times. This is also for giving the wash to the apparatus. Dear student, what you have to do, you have to start pouring it directly. Let us try to see the mark given over here. See, this is a mark which is there present on your round bottom flask. And this particular mark, only this still mark, you have to pour the water. So initially you can drop the water easily, but as soon as a little bit space is there, try to drop the water drop-wise. Also you can use the wash bottle. Now we have done up. So till the mark we have filled the water. Now this is particularly your Mohor salt solution. This is the cap. Insert it and shake it well. Dear student, this is your Mohor salt, M/20 Mohor salt preparation. What we have to do next, we have to, in exam you will be preparing this KMNO4, which you have to take it into burette, that will be given by teacher, but this solution you have to prepare. So if you make a mistake in this one, you will not get the proper reading. That is why we have demonstrated this, how to prepare the Mohor salt solution. So Mohor salt solution is prepared. Now when you have to use it, you have to take it into conical flask. So first of all, you will just pour this solution into beaker, and then with the help of the pipette, you will suck it off. So this is preparation of your Mohor salt solution.